In this video, we're going to have a look at different configuration modes in Exalate. This is especially important since you need to make the best decision and assess whether a mode suits your particular business requirements or a specific use case. So whenever you connect one system to another, you do that by plugging in the URL of the other system. You're asked to choose between 3 different configuration modes: the basic mode, the visual mode, and the script mode. The basic mode is offered as a free plan, which means you do not pay any license fee to use it, and it has a 0 configuration setup where the sync rules are automatically generated for you behind the scenes. You're able to sync 5 fields using the basic mode. That is, the ticket comments, attachments, summary, description, and issue type. So these 5 things are synced bidirectionally without you having to buy any license or having to do any sort of configuration. But keep in mind that you won't be able to add any configuration or remove any configuration from this. It is a fixed configuration that works out of the box, and you can start syncing with it straight away. Basic mode is really easy to use. You can easily create a connection and start syncing in less than a minute. It requires no configuration, and again, you cannot actually do any configuration. For that, Exalate has got other modes. The next mode is the visual mode. This mode provides you with a visual interface or a graphical user interface where you can configure the mapping, so you can choose which field it maps to which field on the other side. So it's an intuitive, easy, no-code approach to creating the sync rules. The only requirement for using the visual mode is for you to be logged into both systems as an administrator. So if you're connecting your Jira Cloud instance to Azure DevOps, you need to be logged into both systems as an admin. This is required because the visual interface provides a single point of control. This means that when you create a connection, you'd only be able to control it from one side. All the sync rules that you create on one side would automatically reflect on the other side, so you have a single point of control. The last mode is the script mode, which unleashes the full power of Exalate. The script mode provides a decoupling for which you're not required to be an admin on both systems. You can create a connection from your side, and then on the other side, you can accept the invitation, pacing the process in your own time. So it's ideal for a cross-company integration scenario. The script mode uses Groovy-based scripts to create the sync rules, which in the visual mode we created from a graphical user interface. So that was about the Exalate configuration modes.